Good morning student, welcome to the online class of Mount Brescia School. As you know, I am teaching you GK. So students, I have discussed up to chapter 15 up to here. I hope you all have learned up to this chapter. Now today I will discuss chapter 16. So everyone take out this chapter, okay? So student, this is chapter 16 and in this chapter we will discuss about the few of the important documents, which is very important for us, okay? So first one is given passport. This is a travel document usually issued by a country's government and that certifies the identity and nationality of its holder for the purpose of international travel. In India, it is issued by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India to the citizens of the Republic of India for traveling abroad. So passport people means it is a type of travel document and that is issued by the country's government for the purpose of international travel, means for the purpose of traveling abroad, okay? And the second one is voter ID card. This card is issued to all the Indian citizens who have attained the age of 18 years and qualified to be a voter. It is issued by the Election Commission of India. Its main purpose is as an identity proof by casting votes. It also serves as a general identity proof, address proof and age proof for casting votes as well as for other purposes such as buying a mobile phone, SIM or applying for a passport, okay? So voter ID cards is issued by the issued to all Indian citizens who have attained the age of 18 years and they are qualified to be a voter. Its main purpose, it is used as an identity proof also, for age proof also and for address proof also, okay? For many other purpose we are using this voter ID card. Now the third one is visa. We will discuss about visa. It is a sticker or a stamp that is placed in your passport to allow you to enter the country that has issued it. For some countries, without a visa, there is no way that you can enter legally. So, I have discussed about passport. So, in that passport, one sticker is put, sticker or stamp that is placed in the passport, that is only called as visa, okay? And in some few of the countries do not allow the peoples to enter legally without visa. Now let's talk about Aadhaar card. It is a 12th unique identification number issued by the Indian government to every resident of India, and it is a number that serves as an proof of identity and address anywhere in India. So Aadhaar card is a 12-digit unique identification number and it is the proof that you are the resident of India, okay? So it is used also as an identity and address proof. Now let's talk about PAN. PAN means permanent account number. It is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric identity allotted to each taxpayer by the Income Tax Department under the supervision of the Central Board of Direct Taxes. So it is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric, means alphabets will also be there and digit will also be there. So it is alphanumeric identity card, okay? And it is used for financial transaction and such as receiving taxable salary or professional fees, means for all the purpose of transactions, and this account number is needed, okay? Now let's talk about the last one, that is driving license, okay? It is an official document which authorizes its holder to operate various type of motor vehicles or on highways and some other roads to which the public have access, okay? So it is the official document. Driving license is an official document that you are legally provided the right to drive the motor vehicles on highways or any other roads, okay? So today up to this much. So students, I hope you all have understood that why this few of these documents are very important for us, okay? So you go through this chapter. This is only your homework. Thank you.